careful, sit in the actual chair, don't sit on the edge. Oh, boink! That's not very steady, is it? Oh, that's not a good plan. You want to ride in the car? Do you want to ride in the car? Do you want me to help you with the car? You can't climb in there. Be careful. Oh, just a minute.